Few days ago I just received this nice handlebar mount for my action camera, and it is from the company called Orbmart. You see it here. Let me welcome you to today's episode. $650cc bike, 6 positions. So I just ordered it from AliExpress, and I think that it is a pretty good product, I would say. So it feels really quality made, and it also feels that it is durable. So you just get this product with these screws here that I just already put on, and with the mount for your camera, so you just screw it like I am doing it right now, and it is ready to mount it on your bike. So I will use it as a mount on my handlebar to film myself on the bike while I'm riding. So if you unscrew, it gets softer, and if you screw it, it's tight. So you have 3 possibilities when you order it. The mirror bracket, here you see this one goes right on the mirror. The pole bracket, it means that it can go like here on the seat of the car, or this one that I have, handlebar bracket. So inside this package you get also another possibility for mounting, so the smaller one, if you would like to use it, for example, on a bicycle. And you get also this tape not to scratch your handlebar, so very useful. Otherwise you get also the key to screw it on the handlebar. So I think that this is the 10, yeah, the 10 number. I will try to put it right now on the bike, and we will see how it looks like. Let's use this tape to protect the handlebar. I will put it right here. Fine, this is enough, I think. Okay, fine. Now it's on, and I think that it looks great. I think that it looks perfect. For 15 euros you cannot expect more, but in any case it is a perfect mount. Okay guys, this is all for now. This is my new handlebar mount. I hope that you enjoyed. If you are interested in buying some of these, feel free. The link is in the description. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Till the next one.